How to block spam calls on Android. So now go ahead and launch the phone application. On the upper right corner of your screen, you will find three dots. Tap on these dots and then select Settings. Now select the caller ID and spam protection, which is the second option. So to enable this feature, tap on the slider button right beside Off. Now under Block Spam and Scam Calls, you will be provided with two options. First option is to block all spam and scam calls, and the second is to only block high-risk scam calls. So you can choose whichever you prefer. As for me, I chose the only block high-risk scam calls. So by enabling this feature, contacts that are not saved on your phone will be considered spam and scam calls. So there is another way to block spam calls by going back and tap Block Numbers. To enable this feature, tap on the slider button beside Block Calls from Unknown Numbers. So by giving this feature permission, unsaved phone numbers on your phone won't be able to call you. And that is how you block spam calls on Android. Thank you and have a great day.